So, let's see anong mangyayari sa putangin ng trial dito sa flood control project na to. Tingnan natin what's most likely to happen. Just concentrate my powers. Early morning bubot. Three cards lang bubunutin natin kasi tinatamad ako. Aga-aga pa. Wala pang kape, mga sis. So, three cards. The Moon. Five of Pentacles. Ten of Swords reversed. So, paliwanag natin isa-isa. The Moon means secrets. Mga things hidden under the surface. So, expect na magsasanga-sanga lahat ng mga pangyayari. If you know what I'm saying. I mean, parang mas malaki pa to sa inaakala natin. It's like, this is just the tip of the iceberg. As per the Moon. Five of Pentacles. Kung mabasahin nyo. Insecure, hardship, poverty, loss of money or position. Need I say more? So, either mas madami ang matatanggal sa trabaho as this trial or whatever it's going on. Eto, meron tayong Five of Pentacles. Madami maghihirap. Hindi lang tayo, pati sila kasi matatanggal sila sa trabaho. Parang mangyayari siguro parang trial by media na lang. Magiging parang two flicks. Well, anyway, the thing is, ang maganda dito, ma-unburden tayo sa mga bagay na ganito. Ito, ma-unburden tayo, malalaman na natin yung mga katotohanan in the next siguro few weeks or months. So yeah, at least there will be recovery. At least ito nakabaligtad. Itong Ten of Swords nakabaligtad. So pag ito nakabaligtad siya, ibig sabihin niya, you are on your way to recovery. So which is good, diba? Tara, i-gaslight pa natin ang sarili natin na magiging okay pa, but what else can we do? Sabi nga ng cards, recovery, regeneration, rebirth, beneficial, improvement, advantage, and profit. So hopefully this will bring light and love. Parang tanga. Anyway, wala na akong pake. Inan yung lahat.